Looks like we'll be setting our stick on the Charlie side so you can get a quick access to the roof.
As a captain in a new high-rise district, I needed more information. I needed more information than paper tactical response guides could give me. I needed something that was easy to take with us, that was digital, that could have backlit just in case there was no light on that floor, and so that we could tactically attack the fire.
Historically, we've used map books, paper map books, and which have worked fine with the exception of they cannot be updated easily or accurately. With the electronic target response guide, we can actually note a change in building status, owner occupancy. We can put it on the system and it shows up immediately, same day. So if the crew goes out to the same address the next day, they have up-to-date information.
Because the fire department already had paper-based maps in use that were customized in Adobe, and they had specific symbology that they all were used with, it was difficult and quite challenging to us to migrate that into GIS. And converting the data and also making sure that the symbols in a digital map, in the web map, it's similar.
Better information on the scene of emergency allows us to deliver better service and more efficient service, and that ultimately saves property and lives.
The firefighters are giving us feedback on the apps, what's working, what's not working, what symbols they like, what symbols they don't like, how they interact with the interface.
First thing we look for is how to get to the location. In this case, you can see the roads here. Once we find that, we can start honing in on the things we need to, like access egress points, building systems, like here you have your FDC elevators, exit stairwells, which stairwells terminate at the roof, which ones don't. Basically, anything we'll need to know is right here from a bird's eye view. We can also put attachments on here. So let's just say we have a fire on level 23. I can select level 23, and now I know the layout. I know exactly what I'm going into.
A lot of the stuff we show on the map is, from the GIS perspective, is a lot of point data that the firefighters use to access the building, such as building access points, whether it's a single door, a double door. If there's a keypad, they need to enter a certain code to access the building, or even a gate code to access the apartment complex.
This solution has 3 or more applications involved. We have dashboards, we have field maps for field collections, and we have web maps for coordinators to approve edits that are made in the field. And it was a suite of applications. And we always had to keep everything in sync, and that added to complexity because it was not only one map, it was multiple.
The firefighters get in their truck and they look at our maps and they can see, okay, what all equipment do I need to bring with me? Where's our plan of attack kind of situation? And so all of that is what we're looking at on the map.
We were able to give every district a map of the entire city. Not only that, the specific details of what each district had. Before, each apparatus had a map book of their own district and not of the other's district. So if they went into another district to help with a fire, we didn't have all the resources available. So now with having Station 1 having a digital map, they could go into Station 13s or 7s or 4s and have all that information at the tip of their fingers.
I'm happy that it was a success in the end. It involved a lot of effort, time, resources, perseverance, but we didn't give up and we made it happen.
We're enabling the users to create their own data, edit their own data, and then approve their data, as we call it, so that it completely finalizes the data for the firefighters to use in emergency situations.
It gave us the ability to have accurate information updated quickly, and having accurate, updated information really gives us tactical advantage on the fire scene.
They really see the value of GIS and they want to leverage this, and I can't be more happy about that because we are here to help and enable them.